If you have tons of documents like bank statements that all need to be redacted at once, CaseGuard makes it really easy using the template feature as well as bulk processing. To start, I have just one document here that I'm going to run AI analysis on, and I'm going to select all the PII that I want detected from my documents. Now, I'm going to save it as a template. This allows me to reuse whatever parameters I've set for my redactions later on in just one click, so I don't have to redo them every time. And once I've applied it, CaseGuard's instantly going to start working to find all of this PII. In preview mode, I can see what it's going to look like on export. This document looks great. Everything's been detected, as you can see in the analytics panel. However, what I want to do now is use bulk redaction. And I'm going to select the template I just made. Then I can add all the files that need redacting. And once I've done this, I can look at my project files, and CaseGuard has instantly uploaded all of those files and is redacting all of them to the parameters that I requested. This can be done with thousands of files at once. There's no limit to bulk processing. If I click on one, I can see that it's fully redacted. If I look at my project files, I can see all of the redacted files as well as the original copies. So I know that the software was successful in redacting every single one of them. If you want to learn more about how CaseGuard can streamline your redaction process with features like bulk processing and many more, visit our website to contact us today.